Do you dream a natural white smiling without spending money at the dentist? Today, I will show you guys how I white my teeth at home using only strawberry, ginger, clove, and some pinch of baking soda. So please stay tuned and watch to the end. And all these things coming from my own kitchen, okay? So I put my clove plus the ginger and the rosemary into my hand blender. So now I have to blend it. I'm going to blend it. Normally you can use maybe two strawberry or one strawberry, because this thing does not stay long. Okay, when you are going to do it, at least when you make it, it will have to stay like 2 to 3 days, 3 to 4 days. You have to throw it away if it is inside the fridge, but outside there, even 1 day, you have to throw it away and make new one again. So after finish blending it, the next thing I'm pouring it into my bowl. That's where the place that I'm going to do what I'm going to put my other mixtures, other ingredients inside to mix everything together. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Normally I should have put 1 teaspoon, but I'm going to make it a little bit more than a teaspoon small, because like I put 3 strawberry. If it is 2 strawberry, 1 teaspoon is okay, but because it's 3 strawberry, that's why I'm going to make it at least the one that is pouring inside. It will be okay for me. So guys, mix this thing very well, and also it's very good if you are looking for a way to whiten your teeth. Okay, these are the things that you need to do, what you need to be using. Don't put joke of these things. So now after add my baking soda, please use baking soda, not baking powder. Okay, and also make sure that your baking soda is not expired yet. Okay, don't use expiring one to make your teeth treatment or your bleaching teeth. So now after that, I'm mixing everything right now, as you guys are seeing, and I'm still going to add another ingredient inside, and that one also, why am I going to add it, is too optional that you can use it, whether you can add it inside and mix everything together once, or you can leave it after brushing your teeth. Then after, you will brush again with your normal regular toothpaste. So now what I'm doing is I'm mixing my toothpaste into my ingredient. I'm going to mix it into the ingredients so that everything mixed together very well before I start using it. So this way, this is the way that's why I'm saying there's 2 ways, whether you make it this way or you just leave it without putting the toothpaste inside and brush it. Use the strawberry, ginger, clove and be brushing, plus your baking soda. Use that one and be brushing. Maybe after that, after you finish everything, then you use your toothpaste to brush again. My ingredients do not blend very well the way I want it to blend, because I can even see the clove pieces inside or half pieces of the clove inside, but no problem, it's okay, it can be like that. So now you have to find a clay jar and pour it inside as I'm doing it. This is the way that you have to find something to preserve it at least 3 to 4 days inside your refrigerator, correct? Yeah, inside your fridge. Let me just put it this way: inside your fridge, you have to keep it for 3 to 4 days, and outside at least 1 day you have to throw it away. So all is the same. You have to make small batch and use. After using it, you can throw away and make new batch again when the time is expired. So this is the way that you have to do it. Find something to cover it and keep it. So the remaining one, I'm going to show you guys to how to apply. So now the one that has remaining, that one I went inside the bathroom to start brushing my teeth. At least try to brush your teeth gentle, don't be in harsh, because the ingredients that you are using, you know, it's look like some things both as look like a menthol. Clove is look like a menthol, and ginger also is the same thing. So please, when you are brushing your teeth, you have to be gentle to your teeth. Don't be doing like you are fighting it. Otherwise, after you finish, you may feel like maybe your mouth there is a sore inside because of the ginger and the clove. So just be careful and take it in, make it gentle to your teeth. Okay, at least brush your teeth 1 to 2 minutes is good. Okay, and after that also, how many days do you have to apply this thing? At least a day, in a week. Try to use them three times in a week is okay. so that other week also. So that's why I'm always saying you have to make the thing less batch, so that when you use it for 3 days and it has finished, then you have to wait for next week, the following weeks again, so that time you can make new one again. So just make something that it will be okay for you for that week for 3 days, so that after using it you can wait until the following week again, you make new one again. So this is the way. And your mouth also, try to keep 1 to 2 minutes inside your mouth while you are brushing your teeth, and take it gentle. I'm reminding you, make it gentle to your mouth, and 3 times in a week. Please, you don't need to overuse it, okay? Because everything you have to just do it 3 times in a week. It will help you. Also, you can share this video to someone that you know, if the person, you know, or if you know someone that the person can talk, the mouth can be smelling, you know, this thing, it will help you for you to brighten your teeth naturally, to whiten your teeth naturally, also to help your mouth to be refreshness, the refreshness that will come into from your mouth, you know, you yourself, you are going to enjoy, because your mouth is going to be very nice and smelling good wherever that you are going or you are entering. You are not going to be feeling uncomfortable again. It will help you to solve everything. So now I'm going to rinse my mouth. Okay guys, after rinsing my mouth, I'm putting my carrot butter into my leaf. So please guys, I'm selling carrot butter. You can patronize me, okay? If you want to buy, please, you can DM me and get your carrot butter. Is available for sale. Thank you very much for watching. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for me. This channel is all about DIYs, natural things, how to take care of yourself and your hair.